Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, Laura Mercier launches luxury beauty experience for Apple Vision Pro with Obsess, an infinite reality company. Introduced a groundbreaking shopping app on Apple Vision Pro, letting users explore Laura Mercier products through immersive 3D unboxing and boutique experiences in virtual New York and Parisian settings. Enhanced engagement with shoppable videos and tutorials optimized for unprecedented clarity, making product discovery seamless while integrating interactive storytelling. Showcased Infinite Reality's vision to reshape e-commerce by turning flat grids into dynamic, personalized experiences powered by AI and extended reality. Elevated beauty into wearable tech by merging digital luxury interfaces with consumer lifestyle, refining how fashion and beauty brands connect deeply with customers. What other ways do you think AI can transform how we shop for luxury beauty or fashion? Share your thoughts below. Adidas unveils physical and in-game cosmetic Fortnite-inspired Ultraboost. Collaborated with Fortnite to introduce 4 limited edition Ultraboost sneakers inspired by fan-favorite characters like Peely and Fishstick, blending playful design with cultural relevance. Released these designs as both physical collectibles and in-game kicks, marking a bold step in uniting gaming and retail experiences through immersive branding. Celebrated Fortnite's iconic elements, like the Battle Bus and Victory Crown, while elevating Adidas' footprint in digital worlds with customizable in-game footwear. Reinforce the growing link between gaming and fashion as virtual and physical products increasingly connect storytelling, personalization, and community-driven aesthetics. What character or game world would you like to see inspire future fashion collabs? Share your ideas below. Browzwear Night at FIT, a celebration of digital innovation in fashion. Celebrated a milestone evening at FIT, showcasing the latest in 3D fashion design and technology to revolutionize how we create and envision clothing. Amplified the creative process with cutting-edge tools, demonstrating 3D simulations that bring garments to life before the first stitch is sewn. Fostered a collaborative environment where industry leaders and emerging talents converge to explore sustainable solutions and digital craftsmanship. Highlighted how digital innovation is setting new standards in fashion, merging traditional techniques with futuristic technology to enhance creativity, efficiency, and sustainability. How do you envision the future of fashion technology impacting your personal style or professional work? Join the discussion below. Touching the future, the SuperBrain revolution in wearable tech. Reinvented sight through the development of a remote sense of touch, enabling the visually impaired to perceive motion, speed, and distance of objects without using their eyes. Utilized cutting-edge telehaptic sight technology to create a haptic space on a person's forehead, allowing blind individuals to interact with their environment in unprecedented ways. Expanded applications of this innovative technology into leisure and sports, enhancing experiences like playing ball on the beach or appreciating sculptures in a museum through touch. Focused on enhancing social interaction and mobility for the visually impaired, significantly reducing the risk of a passive lifestyle and increasing independence and employment opportunities. How do you think wearable technologies like the SuperBrain could evolve in the future to further integrate with everyday fashion and lifestyle products? Share your thoughts below. From lens to code, generative AI in fashion photography. AI-driven technologies turned single fashion photo shoots into limitless possibilities, enabling garment swaps, color adjustments, and model changes without reshoots. Virtual try-on tools like IDM Vuitton allowed brands to test outfits on models seamlessly, reducing costs and environmental impact. Laura's fine-tuned large AI models to tweak garment designs precisely, accelerating iterations and personalization. These innovations push fashion tech forward, blending AI and AR to redefine design workflows, content creation, and consumer experiences. How do you see generative AI continuing to transform the fashion industry, especially in areas like consumer interaction and sustainability? Let's discuss in the comments below. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.